Alright, for those of y'all been wondering what my car sounds like after my muffler blew all the crap out of it, here it is. No guts in the muffler, but the restrictor is in the rear of the pipe. Start it. Alright, well, now we pulled the restrictor out. You can see it sitting right there. So we'll start it. This is just basically open pipes. Alright. And off. Alright, that's the difference. Hopefully it sounds as friggin' loud in there as it does. Trying to put it all back together so I don't get any tickets.